Hello student, good morning. I am Isa Siddiqui. Today I am going to discuss chemistry of 12th class and the topic is solid state. Subtopic is number of atom per unit cell. Before I am going to start how to calculate number of atom per unit cell, I am going to discuss types of primitive unit cell and their possible arrangement. Types of primitive unit cell and their possible arrangement There are 7 types of primitive unit cell and their possible arrangement, that is CT, OR, MTH. I am going to discuss in detail CT, OR, MTH. There are 7 primitive unit cell and their possible arrangements are: C means cubic, T means tetragonal, O means orthorhombic, and R means rhombohedral, and M means monoclinic, and T means triclinic, and last one is hexagonal. Okay, so there are 7 types of primitive unit cell and their possible arrangements are: C means cubic, T means tetragonal, O means orthorhombic, R means rhombohedral, M means monoclinic, T means triclinic, and H means hexagonal. Okay, in your syllabus only cubic unit cell are there. How many types of cubic unit cell? I am going to discuss how many types of cubic unit cell. So I am going to discuss, first one is cubic unit cell. There are 3 types of cubic unit cell. First one is primitive cubic unit cell. Second one is body centered cubic unit cell, and third one is face centered cubic unit cell. Okay, so there are 3 types of cubic unit cell. First one is primitive cubic unit cell, second one is body centered cubic unit cell, and third one is face centered cubic unit cell. I am going to discuss one by one. That is how to calculate number of atom per unit cell, that is in primitive cubic unit cell. So number of atom, first of all, that is cubic unit cell. First one is primitive cubic unit cell, primitive cubic unit cell. Second one is body centered cubic unit cell, and last one is face centered cubic unit cell. So I am going to discuss how to calculate number of atom in primitive cubic unit cell. In primitive cubic unit cell, the lattice points are present only at the corner. Lattice point present only at the corner. How many corner? There are 8 corner. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So how many lattice point in primitive cubic unit cell? That is 8 lattice point, and all are present at corner. How to calculate number of atom in particular unit cell? In each corner is shared with 8 unit cell. So number of atom at this particular corner is 1 by 8 and this particular corner 1 by 8, 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 1 by 8. So total number of atom in that particular unit, we can add 8 times 1 by 8 or 8 into 1 by 8. That is equal to 1. So number of atom in primitive cubic unit cell is equal to 1 because each lattice point is shared with 8 unit cell. So this particular corner has 1 by 8 atoms. So total number of corner is equal to 8. So number of atom per unit cell is 8 into 1 by 8, that is equal to 1. In next, that is body centered cubic unit cell. In body centered cubic unit cell, lattice point are present corner as well as center of body. So there are 8 lattice point because total number of corner in a cube is equal to 8. So lattice point present corner as well as center of body. So each lattice point of a particular corner is shared with 8 unit cell. So it contains 1 by 8 atom. It contains 1 by 8, 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 1 by 8 and 1 by 8. This particular atom, there is no sharing. So this particular atom is only for this particular unit cell. So total number of atom is equal to 8 into 1 by 8 plus 1. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So total number of unit cell is equal to 2. So for body centered cubic unit cell, number of atom per unit cell is equal to 1 plus 1, that is equal to 2, because in body centered cubic unit cell, each lattice point is present at the corner as well as center of body. So total number of atom in this particular unit cell is equal to 2. And lattice points are, how many lattice point? That is 8 plus 1, that is 9 lattice point. Lattice point, total lattice point is equal to 8 plus 1, that is 9. So lattice point may be atom, may be molecule, may be ions. So number of atom per unit cell in body centered is equal to 2. And lattice point is equal to 8 plus 1, that is equal to 9. So I am going to discuss next, that is face centered cubic unit cell. Face centered. Next one is face centered cubic unit cell. In face centered cubic unit cell, lattice point are present corner as well as center of face. Lattice point are present corner as well as center of face. How many faces? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. One face present below the board. So each corner contain lattice point, that is lattice side. How many corner? That is total is equal to 8 corner. And number of faces is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. One face, second face, third face, fourth and fifth and sixth. Okay. So to the corner, total number of atom, because each corner is shared with 8 unit cell. So number of atom at corner, number of atom due to corner is equal to 8 into 1 by 8, that is 1. And faces, how many faces? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. The lattice point present at the face is shared with 2 unit cell. 2 unit cell. So total number of faces is equal to 6. So For this particular lattice point, number of atom is equal to 1 by 2. For this particular 1 by 2. For this particular 1 by 2. And this particular 1 by 2. And this particular due to 2, 1 above the plane and 1 below the plane. So it is 1. Okay. So we can calculate 6 into 1 by 2, that is 3. So due to the faces, total number of atoms in this particular unit cell is equal to 3. So total number of atom is equal to total number of atom is equal to 1 plus 3, that is 4. So for face centered cubic unit cell, number of atom per unit cell is equal to 4. Okay. So we can easily calculate the number of atom in a particular cubic unit cell. So for face centered cubic unit cell, number of atom per unit cell is equal to 8 into 1 by 8 plus 6 into 1 by 2, 1 plus 2 3 the 6 plus 3 is equal to 4. So total number of atom for face centered cubic unit cell is equal to 4. Okay. So in next video I will discuss next topic related to solid state. All students are required to do the question related to how to calculate number of atom per unit cell, and in each cube how many faces, that is 6 faces. How many edges? 12 edge. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. How many edges? That is 12 edges. So in cube, number of edges is equal to 12 and number of faces is equal to 6 faces. So in cube, number of edges is equal to 12, number of faces is equal to 6, number of corner is equal to 8 corner. Okay. So total number of edges is equal to 12, number of faces is equal to 6 and number of corner is equal to 8. Okay. So in next video I will discuss the next topic. Thank you for watching the video.